In this video, I'm going to show you how you can ceramic coat your own car at home for under $20.
This is actually a base model Lancer.
The product we'll be using today is Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating made by Turtle Wax. The first thing you want to do is to use a degreasing soap to remove all the bugs, tar, wax, brake dust, and all other contaminants that can be found on the surface of the paint. In my case, I used Chemical Guy's Mr. Pink. In this step of the procedure, you want to use a brush or a mitt to scrub off all the contaminants on your car, but making sure not to scratch it. Wash and rinse one panel at a time to avoid the soap and water mixture from drying onto your paint.
Sudsy that is, that's crazy. This stuff is very soap sudsy. It's amazing. It's really good at taking off all the bugs and tar, everything, wax. I'm not sponsored. That's fun.
The next thing you want to do is a complete rinse of the car to remove all the grime and loose dirt that was raised during the scrubbing process. This is going to give you a nice and clean surface for the next step of the procedure, the clay bar.
Just break this in half for now. Oh wow, this is tough stuff, man.
The clay bar we will be using in this video is going to be the Simonez blue 4-piece clay bar kit, even though it only came with 2. What this step will do is pull out any more dirt that did not get removed during the washing process.
Already you can start to see some of the contaminants that didn't come out inside the soap phase. It's pretty interesting. We're just taking all this stuff out. So actually, instead of reusing that dirty water, we're just gonna use some of this stuff, fresh stuff.
The real money here is to not press too hard on the clay and to just let it do its work. Apply light to moderate pressure and rub in a linear or oval pattern. Make sure that the clay is very well lubricated with either a specialized spray made by the manufacturer or simply soapy water, as I'm using in this video. Take your time and do each panel and piece of glass carefully. If done properly, your paint will feel extremely soft and free of any granular texture. Next, you just want to rinse off the car once again to get rid of any particles that may not have gotten picked up by the clay bar. Hybrid Solutions says that the coating should be applied to a clean and dry surface, so after completing the decontamination steps of your car, you can either let it air dry in the sun or use a highly absorbent cloth or chamois to quicken up the drying process. And look at that, already she's looking 10 times better than she did before. Moving on to the ceramic coating stage of your car, what you will want to do here is apply a few sprays per panel of the ceramic coating and rub it into your car using a microfiber cloth. Even though it may be tempting, try not to over apply the coating. This is going to be the most important step of this process, so make sure you take your time and do it right.